Ever wondered how to turn a flat image like this into a 3D model you can rotate, zoom, and use in real projects? Today, I'll show you how I did it, using nothing but AI. Let's get started. First, go to Meshy.ai and sign in with your Google account. Click on Text to 3D or Image to 3D. We'll be using Image to 3D in this video. Next, upload your 2D image. You can use a character, an object, or even a logo. Meshy will analyze the image and generate a 3D model in just a few minutes. Once it's done, you can rotate, inspect, and even download the model for use in Blender, Unreal Engine, or other 3D tools. That's it. Turning 2D images into 3D models has never been easier. Try it yourself at Meshy.ai and let me know in the comments what you created. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI creativity tools and tutorials.